curl friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda if this is your first time here. Today I am super excited because I'm going to be reviewing and doing a tutorial with the Mane Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut line. I am super excited to try this line. I have seen it many times in Walgreens but never got around to actually trying these products. So this video is going to be brought to you by the Mane Choice, where I'm going to try all of these products and show you guys how they work. So if you guys are interested in seeing these products in action, then let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to kind of go through all of these products that I have here with me today. The first product I'm going to be using is the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Shampoo. No mineral oil, no petroleum, no parabens, no sulfates, and no formaldehyde. Next, I'm going to be using the Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier 5-Minute Reviving Mask. I'm really excited to try this one in particular because I did just get my hair colored and highlighted, so I really need a good deep conditioner. Next we have the conditioner here. This is good for curly, wavy, and kinky hair like all of these other products, and I don't see any silicones, so that's really good for curly girls who are silicone and sulfate free. Next up is the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Curl Boosting Sherbert. This one I guess is going to be my curl cream that I'm going to be using for styling. Last but not least is the Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Mousse. If you are on my channel regularly, you know I use mousse pretty much every time I style my hair. I use some kind of foam. I am a foam lover, so I'm really excited to try this. Alright guys, let's get started. Right now I just have wet hair. It has not been washed yet because I want to try this shampoo. This shampoo says it's great for any curly hair type. So I'm just gonna squirt a little bit into my hand. That really does smell like pink lemonade. Wow. So now that I'm done applying the shampoo, and I even worked it down into the ends of my hair because I wanted to see kind of how that was gonna feel in the drier parts of my hair. So far it feels really nice, it feels moisturizing, and I would definitely continue to use this shampoo on a regular basis. Alright, I'm going to go rinse my hair out so we can get started with the 5-minute mask. Since my hair is extremely wet right now, I'm going to actually be using the Mane Choice Mane Towel. They were kind enough to send me this to try as well. As a lot of us curly girls know, it is great to use a microfiber towel instead of a regular cotton towel. Cotton towels have long fibers and they can catch on your curls and kind of create a lot of unwanted frizz. So I'm gonna try this to kind of dry off my hair before deep conditioning. I like to dry my hair off first before applying any kind of treatment so my hair can really suck in that moisture and make sure it's getting everything out of the mask. So I'm using this 5-minute mask and I'm going to use a pretty good amount. This deep conditioner kind of feels like a thick body lotion, and this is something that would be perfect for a shower routine because it is a 5-minute mask. It's not something that you have to leave on for an extended period of time if you don't choose to. So this is a mask that I would normally bring in the shower with me. This mask, wow. I'm honestly kind of blown away at how fast my hair is detangling. Wow, okay. I love this mask. This mask is great, and yeah. I would honestly say that if you guys are wanting to try something out of this line but you don't necessarily know what to get, I would recommend starting with this 5-minute mask because I'm seriously like almost speechless. I would pick this 5-minute mask up if you guys are the least bit hesitant about trying any of these. The 5-minute mask. Okay, while I have this mask in, I'm gonna try a few of their other goodies that they sent along too. Here are the crocodile clips, and I'm gonna be using this to pin my hair on the top of my head. I'm also gonna be using one of these plastic conditioning caps Since this is a 5-minute mask and I'm not going to be heating it up with my blow dryer, I'm just going to be using one of these caps to seal in my body heat and help the deep conditioner warm up. All right, now that I've officially had my life changed with that 5-minute mask, I'm gonna move on and use a little bit of this conditioner as a leave-in before I get started with my styling products. First impressions of this conditioner is it's actually very, very thick, so I'm glad I just squirted a little bit into my hands. It is much thicker than the mask actually, so a little bit will go a long way, especially if you have more fine hair like I do. I love the way it feels though. Very, very moisturizing and has a ton of slip. My curls are popping already. I feel like I don't even need to do anything else. They're like chunky, luscious, hydrated. There's absolutely no frizz, so all right, I'm pretty happy with the results so far. Next up, I'm gonna be using the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Curl Boosting Sherbert. This is infused with biotin and vitamin D and E, and this is going to be a curl cream. Okay, so let me just use this glob that I just dropped on the floor. It smells great though. All right, so this is pretty thin. I am actually excited about this because usually really thick curl creams just weigh my hair down so much I have to rewash. This definitely does not feel like it's going to be weighing my hair down. Last but not least, I'm going to be using the Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Mousse. So I'm gonna take this foam, rub it in my hand, and I'm gonna finish off my hair by scrunching. To finish setting my hair, I'm gonna go back in with this main towel and I'm going to scrunch all of the excess water out. Then I'm going to diffuse and I will come back and show you guys the final results with these products. Alright guys, so this is the final result of my hair using the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut line. First impressions, I am so impressed with my hair. I love the volume, I love how soft it is, and I do still have so much definition in my hair from these products. I would rate this line a 10 out of 10 absolutely, with my all-time favorite product being the 5-minute mask. If you guys have any questions for me, make sure to leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.